This LGC-2408 is the latest centerless grinder from Lead Gem and is unique in offering the kind of high-end features that you could only dream of purchasing for your operation in the past, bringing you a whole new grinding experience. The LGC-2408 is a machine unlike most other grinders. It has been designed from the ground up to be a fully enclosed, fully featured, space-saving centerless grinding machine. All of the covers on this machine are very sturdy welded sheet steel and designed to guarantee the safety of operators during operation. The grinding wheel cover itself, rather than being sheet metal, is a highly rigid cast iron structure for ultimate strength and safety. The grinding wheels are all servo controlled for supreme accuracy, and the guideways are imported linear guideways, so there can be no doubts as to the accuracy of the movement they produce.